Hello, my name is Rachel and this is my channel, The Girl with the Pilates Mat. Welcome to class today. We are doing a Pilates for beginners. It's just going to be a 10-minute strength and stretch session, nice and simple. So if you're ready, let's begin. All right, so going to get you to come straight down onto your mat and we're going to come into a kneeling position. So place your hands straight underneath your shoulders, knees under those hips, and reach out your spine. So think of elongating your spine from crown of the head out through the tailbone. Push the floor away with your hands, taking a breath in. You're going to breathe out, you're going to pull your belly button in towards your spine, and then you're going to tuck your tailbone under. And then you're going to inhale, reach back. So you're going to exhale, tuck under. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, tuck under. And inhale, reaching back, keeping a little bit of engagement on that core. You're going to slide your right leg back. Keep pushing the floor away with your hands, and then you're going to float the leg up and down, keeping the spine nice and still. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift, hold the leg in the air, pull the tummy in a little more and try and lift your left hand away, reaching it out. Holding that position, you're going to sweep that left arm around behind you and then bring it forward. Around behind you and bring it forward. One more time, around behind you, bring it forward, bring that arm in, bring that leg in, and let's reach the other leg out. Here we go, push the floor away, and then we're going to lift and lower. 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 Lift and hold. Draw the tummy muscles in, and let's release the right arm out in front. Good, now sweep it around to the back and forward, around to the back and forward, around to the back and forward. Well done, and bring everything in. Now you're going to come up into a kneeling position. We're going to stretch out the front of your thighs. Okay, so think of scooping in and tilting the pelvis forward. Okay, so you can feel that there, and then you're just going to breathe in, bringing those arms up. Breathe out, come back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Two more. In. And out. And in. And out. Well done. Hands down, cross the feet, and then come over and lie down. All the way down. Okay. So let's just align our feet with our hips. Reach our hands down by our side. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, pull the tummy in, tilt the pelvis. And let's start to peel the spine up off the floor. So think of hips up, ribs down, and then reach your arms over. Bring them back. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, coming down through the spine. Deep breath in. Exhale to tilt. Reach up. Arms go overhead. And they come back. Deep breath in. And slowly come down through the spine. One more time. Deep breath in. And exhale to tilt. And peeling up. Arms go overhead, arms go back. Deep breath in and exhale, slowly coming down. Now I want you to reach your arms out to the side with the palms up and bring your feet up in the air. So we're in a tabletop position, knees and ankles bent. We're going to breathe in, taking our knees over to the right, keeping your shoulder blades on the mat. So you feel this around the waistline and back up. Other way, inhale over and exhale up. Inhale over and up. Over and up. Over and up. One more. Over and up. Well done. From there, I want you to take your hands and place them underneath your legs. Okay, and then you're going to take a breath in, breathe out, and just bring yourself up into that little chest lift position. That's good. And you can see if you can release those hands and then take your arms overhead. So let's find that position again. Exhale up and inhale back. Exhale up and inhale back. Exhale up and inhale back. Exhale up. Now I want you to reach forward, hands underneath those thighs, and I want you to press the thighs away from you and see if you can rock yourself up to sitting. Well done. Come onto your side. You're going to have your elbow under your shoulder. You're going to stretch this top leg out. Okay, and think of drawing in here. Hand on the hip. We're going to do a little lift and lower. 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 And then from there, press into this elbow and see if you can lift yourself up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. One more. Up and down. Well done. Let's switch over to the other side. Okay, so realigning everything. Here, that's it. Hand on the hip. Think of really lifting up here. So really working your core. We're going to lift and lower. 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 One more. Lift and lower. Now push into that elbow. Well done. And down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. One more. Lift and down. Beautifully done. And then from there, we're going to roll onto our front. And we're going to have our feet slightly apart, our hands down, our head down, shoulders relaxed. Widen your hands so they're on the edge of your mat. And then as you breathe in, you're going to float your chest up until you're just on your ribs. And then you're going to press into your hands, keeping your shoulders down, and just go as far as your body will allow you to go. Take a breath in, and then breathing out slowly, coming down. Again, deep breath in. Exhale, push into the hands. Remember, in Pilates, it's not about doing the most advanced exercise. It's always about doing what works for your body. All right, so as you come up, feel where your body wants to go. Hold it. And then slowly coming all the way down. Hands under your shoulders. Bring yourself back up into your kneeling position. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Let's tuck the tummy under. Coming back. And then sitting back with those heels, or sitting back towards those heels. Yes, widening those knees and then just finishing here with a lovely deep stretch of the pelvis, the back, the shoulders. Just take a deep breath in. Breathing out, nice and easy. And on the next out breath, I want you to slowly draw your tummy muscles in and bring yourself all the way up to sitting, because you're done. So thank you so much for joining me today. Do press the like button. Please do subscribe, because that really, really helps. And it's been lovely spending this time with you. So do come and see me again soon. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye for now. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.